Taiwan, you'll find braised pork rice everywhere you go, especially during those hungry late-night moments. A fragrant bowl of savory, yet not greasy. Braised pork rice instantly soothes the soul, making the night feel warm and satisfying. Deep in the old street second market of Taichung, there's a small shop with 80 years of history dedicated to authentic braised pork rice. In the early morning, the owner has already begun preparations for the day. He skillfully processes fresh pork hock, carefully cutting uniform pieces for customers who prefer lean meat, while the skin-on portions are offered in limited quantities daily. A truly rare delicacy, the pork belly is meticulously cut. Excess fat removed while preserving the smooth texture. Then both pork belly and hind leg meat are placed in boiling water to blanch. This step not only removes blood and impurities but also makes the meat firmer, creating a rich taste without greasiness, with a lingering flavor. Meanwhile, the staff begins preparing the essential sole ingredient of braised pork rice, fried shallot oil. A pot of oil gradually heats up. Dried shrimp and shrimp flakes go in first to release their aroma, followed by sliced red onions, slowly fried until golden over low heat, until the rich onion fragrance fills the entire kitchen. Fried shallot oil is the irreplaceable finishing touch to braised pork rice. Its importance comparable to chili oil in lanzhou, beef. Noodles enhancing aroma and flavor. Infusing sole into this humble delicacy. Once the water in the pot begins to boil, the owner quickly immerses the hind leg meat after the meat is briefly blanched. It's immediately transferred to cold water to cool and clean. This hot-cold treatment not only makes the pork skin firmer, but greatly enhances the meat's flavor. The round tendon portion of the hind leg is especially precious. Each hind leg yields only 1 or 2 slices of this lean meat, becoming the most sought-after delicacy in the dish. Other meat pieces are also meticulously processed, ensuring each piece perfectly contains lean meat and just the right amount of fat. The owner carefully arranges each piece, securing them with bamboo skewers to ensure they don't fall apart. During the long braising process, meanwhile, smaller meat trimmings are used to make another specialty, minced pork rice. The pork belly also undergoes the same treatment. Blanched and washed pork belly looks more plump and appetizing, cut into uniform small pieces. The owner explains, in Taichung, dishes using whole meat pieces are called lu ru fan, braised pork rice, while those using minced meat are called ru zao fan, minced pork rice. In Taipei, it's the opposite. Whole meat pieces are called kong ru fan, and minced meat is called lu ru fan. During casual conversations with customers, the pork belly has been cut into uniform cubes by the owner and skewered with bamboo sticks. To maintain their shape, next comes the crucial braising step. The owner lays a layer of fresh green onions at the bottom of the braising pot, topped with a layer of fragrant fried shallot oil, then gradually stacks the skewered meat pieces, alternating layers of green onions and fried shallot oil until the pot is filled to the brim. This layering ensures each piece of meat absorbs the spices evenly, allowing flavors to penetrate deeper and more uniformly. A major characteristic of braised pork is its perfect pairing with rice to further enhance this combination. The owner deliberately adds yellow cane sugar to bring out the meat's sweet flavor, then pours in an entire bottle of white wine to enhance aroma and cut through richness. Next, he pours the prepared meat broth into the secret spice mixture, and then into the braising pot, beginning the slow 6-hour simmering process. This isn't just for the meat, but also applies to fried tofu, braised eggs, and braised tofu side dishes. These delicacies are equally beloved by customers. Meanwhile, the minced pork preparation is also in full swing. The owner places cut fat cubes into hot oil that has been used to fry red onions, releasing a rich pork fat aroma. Then he adds minced meat with balanced fat and lean portions, using a low-heat, slow-cooking method while constantly stirring with an iron spatula, allowing the meat to gently simmer in the oil, fully absorbing the enticing aroma of red onions. The owner then pours in an entire bottle of rice wine to remove any gaminess, followed by 3 large scoops of pepper powder for flavor. After blending various seasonings, he adds plenty of soy sauce. This not only gives the minced pork an appealing golden color, but greatly enhances its flavor. Finally adding 3 scoops of yellow cane sugar and slowly cooking over low heat, constantly stirring. Then adding a large bowl of fragrant fried shallot oil. The fine fried shallots burst open in the meat, instantly releasing a rich aroma, catching everyone off guard. At the same time, the large pieces of braised pork emit a fragrance that's simply irresistible. The owner holds the edge of the pot and gently shakes it, allowing the meat pieces to turn over, ensuring each layer absorbs the braising sauce evenly. The owner also categorizes the meat by different parts, such as tendon meat, pork, belly, and pure lean meat, placing them in separate containers, then pouring rich braising sauce over them. Ready for slow simmering. For those who prefer spicy flavors, the shop specially prepares an exclusive rice-enhancing chili sauce. The preparation of this condiment begins with sautéing onions in hot oil, followed by adding an entire bag of fresh chopped chilies, releasing an intensely spicy aroma, then adding scallion oil and the shop's special herbal powder, instantly filling the air with a fresh medicinal fragrance. After all ingredients are evenly mixed, they're slowly cooked over low heat, allowing flavors to fully blend. As evening approaches, other stalls in the market gradually begin to close, but this small shop remains bustling with activity. Freshly stir-fried side dishes are neatly arranged at the counter. Fragrant white rice has just been taken out of the cooker, each grain distinct, emitting a steamy white mist. Staff members are busy packing meals for customers, carefully selecting each perfectly marbled piece of braised pork, ensuring every box is tempting, whether fatty or lean. Braised pork paired with several meticulously prepared side dishes, whether accompanied by braised meat or minced pork, they become the perfect late-night meal choice. A bowl of braised pork rice costs 70 new Taiwan dollars. The braised pork belly is tender and flavorful, rich in sauce aroma. With one gentle bite, the fatty part melts in your mouth, while the lean meat maintains its delicate texture, neither tough nor hard. Tendon meat. Rice is also priced at 70 new Taiwan dollars with springy tender meat, full of collagen, providing a unique sticky texture, making you crave more, while minced pork rice is priced at 45 new Taiwan dollars. The minced pork is crispy outside and tender inside, coated with just the right amount of savory sweet meat juice and braising sauce, a perfect match with white rice, making you take one bite after another, simply impossible to stop.